Doctors are using a tiny camera to examine the inside of the esophagus, stomach, and small intestine. Have you ever wondered how doctors can look inside your stomach without performing surgery? The answer is a procedure called an endoscopy. Doctors use an endoscopy to find the cause of problems like stomach pain, heartburn, difficulty swallowing, bleeding, nausea, or ongoing vomiting. It can also help detect ulcers, inflammation, infections, and even early signs of cancer. Before the procedure begins, the patient is usually given medicine through a vein to help them relax or sleep. The throat may also be sprayed with a numbing medicine to make the procedure more comfortable. The doctor then gently inserts a long, thin, flexible tube called an endoscope through the mouth. At the tip of the endoscope is a tiny camera and a bright light. The tube slowly passes through the esophagus, which is the food pipe that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. The camera sends clear live images to a monitor, allowing the doctor to carefully examine the inside of the esophagus. Next, the endoscope enters the stomach, where the doctor checks for problems such as irritation, ulcers, bleeding, or abnormal growths. The tube is then gently guided into the first part of the small intestine, called the duodenum. This helps the doctor look for ulcers, inflammation, or other conditions that may be causing symptoms. If the doctor notices anything unusual, a tiny instrument can be passed through the endoscope to remove a very small piece of tissue. This is called a biopsy. The sample is later examined under a microscope to help diagnose the problem. Once the examination is complete, the endoscope is slowly removed while the doctor takes one final look to make sure nothing has been missed. It is normal to have a mild sore throat or feel slightly bloated for a few hours, but these symptoms usually go away quickly. An endoscopy gives doctors a clear view inside the digestive system, helping them find problems early and choose the best treatment before the condition becomes more serious.